God's gifts and his call are irrevocable. And hear me when I say this. God doesn't change his mind. Just because you messed up doesn't mean that God's like, oh, I was so caught off guard that they messed up and they didn't do exactly and they weren't the perfect person. God said, that's why I want you. Because you're not going to give up. You're going to mess up and you're going to pick it back up and you're going to keep going, and then you're going to share that story with so many other people who just think I'm not good enough. I've messed up way too much. There's no way I can do this. But here's the thing. If you calm down enough to recognize this, we recognize that we're all messed up. We need a different kind of people here at Catalyst because we're trying to do a different kind of thing here at Catalyst. We're not trying to just put on a good show on Sunday morning. We should give our best to God on Sunday morning, and I believe that we are. But we're trying to be in each other's lives, good times and bad times, to make disciples. That is not easy. That gets messy, it gets dirty, it's really hard to do. But just because you got the wrong job, the wrong marriage, the wrong boyfriend, the wrong girlfriend, the wrong whatever it was, and you sat your calling aside does not mean it should go, because God's calling and his gifts are irrevocable.